In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Dropbox password. This process is straightforward and will help you access your account with ease. Let's get started so you can regain access to your files and documents stored in Dropbox. First, you want to open the browser where you typically access your Dropbox account. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you prefer. It is essential to use the same browser where your password is saved. This ensures that you can retrieve your password without any hassle. Once you have your browser open, you will be ready to proceed to the next step. Next up, locate the three-dot icon in the upper right corner of your browser window. This icon represents the menu, and clicking on it will bring up several options. It is crucial to find this menu as it provides access to settings related to your passwords and autofill features. With just one click on this icon, you will be able to navigate closer to retrieving your Dropbox password. After that, click on the option that says Password and Autofill. This section houses all your saved passwords, making it easier for you to find what you need. By accessing this area, you are taking a significant step towards recovering your Dropbox password. You will now see a list of websites for which you have saved login information. This is a great time saver, as you won't have to remember your passwords manually. Now, click on Google Password Manager. This option will take you to a dedicated manager that holds all the passwords saved via your Google account. It is vital to use this manager because it securely stores your login credentials. After you click on this option, you'll see all your saved passwords neatly organized, making it easier to locate your Dropbox password. From there, search for Dropbox in the list of saved passwords. Once you find it, click on the arrow across from it. This action will reveal more details about your login credentials. It is important to locate the right entry because it ensures you are accessing the correct account. This little step will prevent any confusion and save you time later on. At this point, you may be prompted to provide any password required by your device for security purposes. This step is crucial because it protects your sensitive information from unauthorized access. Entering this password will grant you access to your saved Dropbox password, ensuring that your account remains secure while you retrieve your login information. Finally, click on the eye icon in the password field to reveal your Dropbox password. This action will display the password you need to log into your account. It is a simple yet effective way to view your password, ensuring you have the correct information to regain access to Dropbox. Once you see your password, you can easily copy it or write it down. Remember, these steps are designed to make your experience smooth and efficient. You have now successfully located your Dropbox password, and you should feel confident about accessing your account. If you follow these steps carefully, you will have no trouble retrieving your password whenever you need it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying the process for you.